Camp Nou is rising day by day. From massive structural elements to fine exterior details, every section is moving closer to completion. Today, we'll take a detailed look at the latest construction progress, including Lamas installation, stair structures, compression ring work, and updates from all major sections of the stadium. Let's begin today's Camp Nou construction update. In the corner section, Lamas installation has resumed following improved weather conditions. A new red llama has been lifted by crane, while workers and elevated platforms remain active below. The lower false ceiling llamas are already complete, and work is now progressing toward the exterior-facing support zones, where brackets are already prepared. The lateral side remains highly active, with concrete being poured in the upper sections using a concrete pump. At the stairwell, concrete panels are installed at the lower level beside the elevator doors, while the interior already has sandwich panels. On the right side, panels are still missing, and workers continue operating inside. Newly delivered llamas in this area suggest increased installation activity soon. The fourth compression ring pillar has been ready for several days and is expected to be lifted soon. The fourth radial beam is also prepared and waiting nearby, with possible installation expected during the week. In the south goal area, elevated platforms are operating near the stairwell structures. Most of the beams and framework for the elevator shafts are already installed, with only one upper section still requiring additional pieces before sandwich panel installation can begin. Support brackets are already in place, but anchoring elements have not yet been installed. Previously white-painted beams are now fully painted black, although louver connection elements are still pending. In one sector of the south goal, a worker is tightening previously installed anchors. This likely indicates preparation for upcoming Lamas installation, as most supports and a large number of anchors are already positioned. Sandwich panels are already visible on several stairwell structures, including areas that still require full closure. Elevator door openings are clearly defined below. On the right-hand side, interior sandwich panels have been installed for several days, while the exterior faces remain uncovered and pending installation. The north goal corner appears advanced, with workers installing finishing trim panels and closing horizontal gaps. All support brackets are already installed here, and current work focuses on securing connections and preparing for anchor installation before Lama's placement. In the central north goal area, elevated platforms are active inside the stair structures. Workers continue internal tasks across the scaffolding, while safety netting is being extended. On the slope below, diagonal steel bracing elements are being installed, and excess concrete is being removed where slabs meet beams. At the main stand, structural activity continues near the staircase and elevator shaft areas. Workers are active on scaffolding and elevated platforms, with the main structural framework now appearing complete. This zone is preparing for the next phase, which will be the installation of sandwich panels, similar to other completed areas. Moving to the shop diamond, the glass installation status remains largely unchanged, with panels still missing above both doorways and at the corners. However, key progress is happening inside, where workers are installing rock wool insulation above the door openings. All doorways now have insulation in place, and on one side the work is fully completed with finishing trim installed and glass already positioned above. In the final corner section, new connection pieces for Lamas supports are being installed on the beams. Elevated platforms are operating, and welding work is ongoing near one pillar. At ground level, workers are closing a previously open block wall, while pipework remains unchanged and pending extension toward the interior. This has been the latest update from the Camp Nou construction site. We're documenting the Camp Nou project on a regular basis. To stay updated with every phase of the rebuild and future progress, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next update.